This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create a HubSpot account. First, navigate to the official HubSpot website. Look for the prominent Get Started Free button, usually located in the top right corner or center of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll need to provide your email address to begin the quick and easy sign-up process. It's a straightforward first step to unlocking HubSpot's powerful tools. Next, you'll be prompted to fill in some personal and company details. Start by entering your first and last name, and then create a secure password. Following this, input your company's name and, if you have one, your company's website address. You'll also select your industry from a drop-down menu and specify the approximate number of employees in your organization. This information helps HubSpot tailor your experience. Now, let's customize your account setup. You'll be asked to choose your primary goal for using HubSpot, whether it's for marketing, sales, customer service, or another area. Then, indicate your role within your company. This helps HubSpot optimize your dashboard and recommendations. Finally, select the specific HubSpot tools you intend to use right away, such as CRM, email marketing, or landing pages. You can always add more later. To finalize your account creation, carefully review HubSpot's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you're comfortable, click the Create Account button to complete your registration. Congratulations, your HubSpot account is now active. You can immediately begin exploring your personalized dashboard, accessing free tools, and discovering the extensive learning resources available to help you get started with inbound strategies. Enjoy your new platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.